That's a bit different. I'm actually sitting on a three-wheeler now. Oh, caught in the chain. Still caught in the chain. Yeah, the jeans. Oh, typical, isn't it? It's a red three-wheeler and I'm literally sitting in a bucket seat. I seem to be in some kind of flow, although I'm going easy. Oh. Hey, here we are. Oh dear. Making my way around Croydon Arena in a three-wheel sitting chair. Well, it's basically a tricycle, isn't it? And I am able to steer it with just the one hand, but I keep getting caught in the bloody chain. Oh, I can't really tuck it into my sock that I know of, but every other time I get caught. Or smack my leg on the handlebars because my legs are so long. Oh, I don't know, let's see if I can. Might just about manage it. Try again. I'm not going to bother with the gears on it. Oh, I should probably be using the other hand, to be honest, but I know what happened. Yeah, see what I mean? Whoa. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Noah Moa. Or was it Moa Noah Noah Moa? I don't know. I don't remember. But there was a rally banana bicycle in the video and it was like banana bicycle porn. Oh, at least I'm getting some exercise today. And I really didn't want to flipping get out of bed. I didn't even get to snuggle the cat in the morning. But oh well. Bang. That's the trouble with being 6'2.5". And the next postie bike has just been left over there. As to whether someone else will end up on it, I don't know. I probably could shift it up a little, but can't really turn the handlebars too much because I'll end up smacking my legs. I can't go back any further. I haven't heard many trams go past for some strange reason. There must be, but I've just not heard any. Weird. Starting to feel it a bit now, but at least I'm taking it easy. I've absolutely no idea how long I've been going at it. Did it say 5 minutes? If I could have been slightly further back. Oh, at least it's a nice sunny day. Seems to be pretty stable. Apparently I've gone missing. I've left my keys and freedom pass. It's because I'm not on my normal bike, I'm on one of theirs now. They think I've gone missing. But I'm on the way back round now. And then I'll stop it when I get round there. See if I can push it slightly more. He was here earlier, he still is. Little Jimbo Bush, the one-legged cyclist. Problem is I'm slowly slipping further and further forward. Oh dear. Oh my God. Ah. Only reservation, slipping forward. I'm getting a bit tired. I'll probably be alright if I weren't holding the camera, to be honest. They all think I'm missing.